That's what the other camera's going. That's what the other camera.
Wray home is a historic home. It's a museum. Be sure to go inside both those exhibits. The Wray home was the second home of Jane and Floyd Wray, the founders of Flamingo Gardens. The Wray started a citrus grove here in 1927. So they planted lots of other plants, and some of them century planted are certified or endorsed as the largest of their species in the state. And we have 22 applications here. Last year, October 6th, over at we have our glass exhibits, glass and toy exhibits of 22 of these sculptures around the garden. See how many you can find today. There's birds, butterflies, dragonflies, and children. Now we're going to exit the first 10 acres. Oh, look. You both want to hop on the tram? No? Okay then. We run every half hour. Into my life with that board. Now all the passengers how we're passing a kind of poetry. And the birds on the top remember they did on. Remember they cannot fall. Excellent South America. Oh, we have lots of animals roaming around freely. On the driver's side, we see a pair of they're natives of Northeast Africa. We were brought over as ornamental birds. But they find them basic with their picture and color. We have those two large light trees. The southern China, they are flowering. And here we have some citrus in the school. On the passenger side, we're passing some peacocks. Peacocks are native to India and Sri Lanka, and peacock is a national bird of India. So see them all. That's if you hear the sound, that's a peacock. The peahens, they are the females with the green neck. One of the peacock grows a long train and they grow it every fall. They must be 3 years or older to grow it, but it's in the summertime. The main disease is February August, so the peahens, will lay one bunch of eggs during that time. Yes, and the bee chicks will stay with their mommies until they're about 6 months old. And as they roam around, they eat flowers, fruits, seeds, lizards, snakes, snails, insects. They'll fly up in the trees and all the good stuff. And here we have banana plants, which are native to Malaysia. Some are fruited. Oh, you'll see a bunch of bananas. There's another plant behind us. Okay, there's a bunch of bananas hanging from the top of the plant. Look, several of them are fruited. They all have fruit once though, and then the plant dies, so the roots come down the plant to replace it. And banana leaves are used for cooking, wrapping, storing, and serving food. Then we have some Muscovy ducks wobbling along here. They're omnivorous. The Muscovy are native to Mexico, Central and South America. The males are larger, and that red water you see on their face produces oil, which they use, here's a male, to lubricate their bellies. There's a jackfruit tree on the driver's side. That's the largest fruit that grows on a tree. So look all the way up, follow the trunk and branches way up in the top. I see lots of fruit up there. And a single jackfruit can weigh from 10 pounds up to or even over 100 pounds. Native to South Asia, national fruit of Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. If you like chocolate, nice dishes to cover on the passenger side. And I'm pointing at the chocolate tree with the green one. Also known as cacao, you'll see lots of pods on the branches. One says cacao pod rice, and this is cacao beans. Kinds of pods that are processed to make cocoa and chocolate. And it was in southern Mexico where chocolate was first cultivated about 4,000 years ago. Well, Muscovy ducks here. Oh yes, they're wet with birds, so anywhere there's a body of water, they come down. Pond, you'll find them. So we're climbing up into a tropical hardwood hammock, also known as the tree island. These hardwood hammocks, you'll find more of them in the Everglades along the Florida and on both the south coast of Florida. So you'll see hardwood trees, evergreens growing in the trees, there are palms, shrubs, ground covering the understory, and animals Gold retrievers have not moved, so hang on to all your items. Oh, so these Native Americans live on these forests, cactus, Caruso, Jacob, Appalachian, Vancouver, and all the forest. They were pretty hungry. They go down out of the trees and went canoeing from one tree island to the next. They were hunters and gatherers, some were farmers, and the merchants were founders. What these travels belonging to them. There are still flamingos and we can still find them in the Everglades today. In the early 1900s, canals were built to drain the Everglades long. Land was built to agriculture development. There's only about a third of the Everglades remaining. As a result of habitat loss, that is, some native plants and animals are either threatened or endangered. Still see a boom in the cormorants in the pond. They're excellent scuba divers. Never bulb trees right outside here. They're so orchid here, Tram. A tree with a wheel and bark, rainbow eucalyptus, rainbow colors around the spicy the heart to make tequila. Other drivers shine with 6 palms, or palm, Florida State Tree, Florida, and also on the Great Florida. Now, folks, we're going to enter the front 10 acres, and we're going to get back to there. There's a wildlife and after here there's a Now, that's really the map of the reptiles.